Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 3Diest. Guys, in this video we will talk about the history timeline inside Autodesk Fusion 360. So as you can see, I had already opened a dice model that I had prepared earlier, and on the bottom area that you can see over here where all the commands you can see like the sketch, loft and the other commands like fillet, extrude. So all these commands that I had used to prepare this CAD model is recorded over here, and this is called the history timeline, where you will be able to see all the command history onto this timeline, and you can track your history, you can make edits from this timeline. So this is called history timeline, and sometimes it happens that this history timeline is not visible into your Fusion 360. So we'll talk about why it happens and what is the solution for that. So by default, whenever you will start creating any new design inside Fusion 360, you will be able to see these history timelines will be turned on. So by default it will always be there, so you don't have to worry about that. Whatever the tools and the commands you are using to create your 3D model is getting recorded. But if it is not visible, it happens in two cases: either you had turned it off accidentally, or whenever you try to import any other file format to your Fusion 360. For example, if you had prepared any CAD file in any other software and you try to import that into Fusion 360, in that case what happens is that that CAD model doesn't comes with a history. So because of that, Fusion 360 automatically detects the file as a outside file and turn off the history timeline. So for example, if I will just show you this design, this is the STL file that I had imported into Fusion 360. So as you can see, by default the history timeline is not turned on. So the way we can turn it on is just go onto the top level of your design browser. Here you can see, and make a right click, and here you can see I can just click on this capture design history, and you can see the timeline just got started. So the first thing is like this mesh file that it is showing over here, and after that whatever the changes I'm going to make will get recorded over here. For example, if I will start a sketch, here you can see the sketch is just getting recorded over here into my design timeline. So this way you can turn on your design timeline when it is not visible into your Fusion 360 workspace. So let me know if you got any question about this. Thanks for watching.